हाय हॅलो नमस्कार. तर तुमचं नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये स्वागत आहे. तर आज आहे शौर्याच्या शाळेमध्ये कल्मिनेशन डे. तर शौर्य रेडी झाला आहे, मी पण रेडी झाले. तर 9चा टाईम आहे. तर कल्मिनेशनमध्ये शौर्याने घेतलेला आहे बास्केटबॉल. तर असं भरपूर ऑप्शन असतात. क्रिकेट नसतं, बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल, कराटे, असं भरपूर काही ऑप्शन असतात. त्याच्यामध्ये शौर्याने बास्केटबॉल घेतलं आहे. तर बघूया आता काय बास्केटबॉलमध्ये स्कूलमध्ये काय करतो ते बघायला जाऊया. तर तुम्हाला पण मी दाखवते शौर्याने शाळेमध्ये काय केलं नाही बास्केटबॉलमध्ये. तर मग असेच व्हिडिओ पाहत राहा, पूर्ण व्हिडिओ पहा आणि पाहिल्यानंतर लाईक शेअर कमेंट करा. तर मग चला आता आम्ही शाळेत जातो. आणि आज वातावरण बघा कसं आहे. आज सकाळी सुद्धा पाऊस पडला होता, तर आता ते सुकलं आहे पाणी. तर वातावरण बघा आज कसं आहे, पूर्ण मळप. पावसाळा सीझन वाटतंय पूर्ण. शौर्य एक्साइटमेंट. शौर्य काय खेळणार आहे तू बास्केटबॉल? शौर्य सांगत नाही, सरप्राईज आहे. मला सरप्राईज आहे, शौर्य सांगत नाही.
Made forward, helps to have a transition during the offense of the game. Wow, that was a beautiful one. Good shot. Hard luck, guys. Come on, next. Quick passing. Good shot. The coach is getting in ready. All the setup that's required for the skills. And we begin. So here, like you see where I am right now, this is a ladder footwork drill. The footwork that's required for the skill of basketball. You got to be quick and agile. The one that you see right now is 2-ball dribbling. Requires a lot of coordination, hard work, practice. Here you see shooting along with pivot turn. Like I said, everything you see here is for the hand. Good showcase of skills by the dribbling again. Can you speak to us while doing this? Can you speak to us while doing this? How are you feeling while doing this? Good? Are you nervous? But I'm nervous looking at you, and good job. Good shot at the layup. Like I said, the song I think is a favorite to all of our kids. a really tough one to have to control in such a small space. Please, parents, clap for our kids again. These guys have worked hard a lot to showcase their skills to us. Are you able to talk to me while dribbling? Okay, now we have the next group. Can you talk to me while you're dribbling? How are you feeling? Can you look at your parents from here? Here? That's really good. The ball control of each and every child here is really good. The coach making sure that everyone gets a chance to play. Pass, and that was an open again, and a shot well played by the green team. Green team supporters, come on! The orange team starts, making a good pass in small range. Outside. Orange team gets the start since it was a foul. Good pass. Attempt again, that was a close one. Hit the rim and was out again. The green team always has the corner player open. Team, and it's the game whistle for the boys. Parents, please clap for the efforts. And for grade 7 combination.